I'm glad you can join me. Yeah, I need to talk to y'all for a minute. Right now, old Grandma right, I'm hotter than a 45 that just went off. Yeah, and let me tell you why. I got all these people calling me, writing me these letters, asking me old crazy things. Want to know how come God ain't blessing them. How come he ain't answered? They been praying and praying and praying. Why? I'm like, my goodness. You got to be doing something wrong. My thing is, when I'm reading the letters, some of the garbage they be talking about be blowing my mind. Now, I've been here a long time and it don't take much. But that stuff right there they be talking about is crazy. Messing with married men, fornication. Doing all kinds of stuff. And they talking about, so how come God ain't blessing them? Well, I'm going to tell you one thing. It ain't no blessing when you living messy. Remember that. Ain't no blessing when you living messy. Don't get mad at him. Get mad at yourself. Reevaluate your life and fix it. That's what you do. Fix it. Oh, that's just the I got stuff in the now because it's the holidays and all. That's another thing. Y'all crying and complaining because y'all miss people that are going on to glory. Don't do that. Because God said that the spirit never die. People ain't going nowhere. They still see what you doing. And some of y'all ought to be glad they did not visible because they beat your hind parts if they saw some of the stuff you doing. Y'all got these award shows and everybody got their little cheering teams where they clapping and all that and applauding and booing. Well, I'm going to tell you one thing. I want to stand in ovation. See, because here's what I think. I believe that God is sitting up there in the heavens. He's there. Guess what? He's in the very center. You got Jesus on the side of him. He on his right side. Then you got all the other men, all the other good, strong women from back in the biblical days. They up there. But then you got them people that you crying about, that you miss. They up there too. They watching you now. So now, see, since you can't believe, some of y'all can't believe there's a God, because y'all ain't never seen him. Y'all seen all these people. They done died and went to glory. Didn't you see them? Okay, so the next time you think about doing something you ain't got no business doing, next time you think about that, remember, they see you. Then maybe you'll fix yourself, fix your life up and get it straight. Again, there ain't no blessing in living messy. Fix it. Then write Grandma back. Write me back then. Then tell me about your blessing. Till you get that right, you probably won't get no blessings. You know what? I'm tired of talking to y'all now. Some of y'all gonna listen. Some of y'all ain't. If I touch one of you, I done touch somebody. Now, guess what I see and what I believe? My Father that's up there, along with all the rest of them, they standing up. They giving me, Grandma Wright, a standing ovation for telling you that. Bye now. Enjoy your holidays.